Okay, good day YouTube. Today I will teach you how can you extract file with the file extension numbers like this one. Yeah, like this one 002 file. How can you extract file like that? First you're going to do is go to your browser or your Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. Then go to address bar, then type www.google.com, then search for 7zip, then press enter, then choose what your system unit required download. Isn't it 32-bit or 64-bit? Mine is 32-bit, so I will choose this one, an exe file. Then I will download it, then wait for a moment for the download to start. Then click OK, open. Then click on install. Then wait again for a moment. Then click on finish. And lastly, go to your file. Select all, then click on 7zip and choose on which you desire to extract your file. So I will my decision is on desktop. So I will click on extract here. Then wait again for a moment to finish the extracting. So you saw the folder in my desktop here. Wait, just wait. It's too slow. Okay, set finish. Then go to your folder and this this is now. This is the files what what's your extract had been extract. Then you Viola and finish your doings. Please do subscribe on me and please comment if you have a question. Thank you.